I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. It's very frustrating when your last punch needle threader breaks when you're right in the middle of a project. You could make a new threader if you have the right size wire. I'll put a link in the description box below with a video showing you how you can make your own threader. But if you don't have the right size wire, what can you do? In this video today I'm going to show you how you can thread the punch needle without having to have a punch needle threader. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need your punch needle and a sharp sewing needle and your floss that you're going to use to punch and some thin embroidery cotton. I'm going to use pearl cotton number 8. So to start with, unwind some of the pearl cotton and start poking it through the tip of the needle. Just keep pushing it a little at a time. Till it comes out the other end of the needle. Then you can pull it out and take the floss that you're going to use for punching. I'm using a 3-strand embroidery floss, and thread the needle. And the needle needs to be sharp. If it's a dull needle, this won't work. So this part's a little bit tricky. You want to hold the pearl cotton tight and then poke the needle right through the middle of it. And pull the string through. And then pull everything back through the punch needle. And then you can go ahead and thread the eye of the needle, and you're ready to punch. Now, the first time I did this, I could not get the string to come all the way through my tube, and it turns out that this middle tube, this tube here, had a bunch of fuzz in it, probably from a lot of punching, so I was able to use a can of air and blow that out and thread without a needle threader. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe below and click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.